Hello everyone, this is Ankur Gupta. I work as a Java developer in Mindfire Solutions. In this video, I will be talking about how to implement styles in Jasper Report, as well as what utility does styles carry in Jasper Reports. Basically, styles are more or like CSS in HTML, which we already know, like on the building blocks of this of a website. Basically, is the designing and the styling. So, styling refers to the coloring of elements, or deleting it, or changing the outlines. More a lot many things we could be done achieved. Like I will be taking you through in the further of my video. So basically, there are two methodologies which could be followed for Jasper reports for as far as styles are concerned. First of all, styles could be created in the report itself. There is a node called styles, and there we could add a new style and conditional formatting and a lot more we could do. Or what to increase the modularity of the style. Suppose you have a style which is common for 100 reports, so you won't be going on creating for the styles for each and every report. That would be kind of a tedious job. So for that, there is a way we could create a JRTX file. JRTX is the extension of the style file, which could be stored locally as a .grxml file or .jasper file is stored, and simply we could include it into our any of the report and use the styles and the properties of the styles which we have will declare in the JRTX files. So the prerequisite for this would be just the iReport or the Jaspersoft Studio, which would enable you to apply the styles to your reports. Now let me just start with the demo. So to save some time, I have already created a report here, and let me just show you what styles have I applied. Uh, to create a new template, what we could do is we could click on new file, then new, and we could just drag down. You could see here the style. Style could be just finished, and we could have a new style. We'll save, and we'll see it later. And I have already created a style, and which I've already included in this report. So let me just open it over here. So I will just show you how what does it include. So let me just preview this report. I'm checking the country USA, and see there is a band changes, and there is header is changed, and the ship name is of becoming some yellow color. And we clicked on USA. So what is happening on the USA cells is on that ship country, the USA is getting highlighted and encircled, that as if we are checking for USA. So it's highlighted in the report and easy to identify which field belongs to USA and could be sorted upon that. So this is how the styles come handy. To do that, what we have to do is, like, first of all, I will start with the conditional styling. So this I have named a style called alternate bands. In this we need to add a conditional. If we right click onto this style, we could add conditional style. Now conditional style is when a condition is fulfilled, and according to that styling is done. So I will just show the properties of this. So here are the properties. What I have done is I have changed the background color and the fore color. So normal one remains white and the other one changes to green. So how is that calculated? This is a report count variable which counts the number of records in the detail band. So So the number of counts in the band could be I have modulus of 2, which will produce an even and odd kind of set, so will be alternate. And alternation would give me the required scenario, which is the alternate bands colored. Now the heading which you could see is of a light red color, and the dark red color is the text. So I've just simply modified the forecolor and the background color. And to apply this, what I have done, I have just navigate to this. See, I've just got into the properties of the heading here and applied the style over here. Style. So the heading one, I've simply declared a style, and that I have included in the style over here. This is the heading which I'm using. Even I could apply the alternate bands and stuff, but it won't work here as it is the heading. So now moving on to the country check, like which I'm highlighting it using USA. So what we need to do is simply what I've done, created a condition that if the ship country equals the country name which I'm entering through parameter, then simply change the color, the design. I have just changing the back color to white, and I have just penned the solid and colored it with red. So and also this is even simpler to achieve. And in this one, I will just add the style called find country check. This is rather very easy to do, and this will replicate whatever the country name we enter. So these are three which I declared. This is the custom file. Now herein, what we could do is I will just show you how to create it. Like I've earlier shown, but it seems to not open again. So let me just show you. I will just name it style template one. I'll just finish it. How it looks like is this. It's pretty simple, and see there is a new style created. You could create as many as styles in it, and a template reference would uh, refer to the reference to some other template or grtx file which could be linked up over here. So suppose the headings are there, and if those headings are there, then uh, the body portion could be declared in another one, and so on. It really depends on your need and modularity of the report which you want. So now here in the style you could just go on to, suppose I will just change the back color to green. So see what is happening is graphic elements are text field, or this is a rectangle, this is an ellipse. So you see that line color is changing. If I change the forecolor is the text color, you will see the changes in the text elements. So it's pretty decent in looking, and very easy to configure basically. Now see the outlines of the graphic elements have also gone to red, and this could be saved, and again it could be, like if I go to here, if I want to include a style reference, I could easily include a style reference over here. So this is it for the styles in the Jasper reports. And I once again preview and show you what we have done. This one is coming, this coloring alternate bands like white and green is coming through alternate bands. This heading, which is uh, ship address as in red, and the light red color as the background, is coming from the headings. And the USA check is coming from USA check styles. So I suppose it's pretty clear like how to use the styles in Jasper report, and it could really come in handy in some reports wherein you need to check things or you want to highlight something. So I will say a really handy tool. Thank you for watching my video. You could also visit the official website of Mindfire Solutions on www.mindfiresolutions.com and even post views and comments on my video. And if you have some queries or questions, you can also put them in comments. I will love to answer them. Thank you.